Hello, I'm Marksie. I get up every morning to cook your meal, and that's what I've been doing this morning, and I've been going out bush and collecting some Aboriginal herbs to put in your meal tonight.
Hello, my name is Manuel. Come and see me at top Didj and I will tell you how I survived living in the bush. See you soon.
Oh, g'day guys, I'm Tom Curtin from Katherine Outback Experience. We get up pretty early here every morning to feed and train the animals, and just so they're ready to rumble when you guys turn up for the Katherine Outback Experience show every afternoon.